Today, I am going to recreate some of my original videos.
Almost 10 years ago, all my original videos were filmed on a construction site breaking things. Those videos were uploaded on this channel, my second channel. Back then, we peaked at 60 subscribers.
I've just launched a new project. It's called Cooked. Fuck off, fly. Our first drop is construction inspired. I've made my own fake construction company as sort of like a throwback to my old life. Same as my Fortnite skin. The entire company is named after the feeling I get 9 hours into a live stream when my eyes hurt really, really bad.
In honor of Cooked, I woke up at 6 a.m., hopped on a flight so I could visit my dad and recreate some old videos for nostalgia.